hustle from Binangonan Rizal. Estacio leaning in. Bank shot no good. Escoto comes away with a rebound. Pasa kay Tiamson. Bagyang na libre. Extra feed. Louis Vigil for free. Book it.
You know, Louis Vigil really needs the ball for him to...
Tubong San Juan Cainta. Louis Vigil forcing his way in. Off the glass. Tough shot.
5 straight points para kay Louis to start the ball game.
Tiamson. Pasa palabas. Escoto got cut off by Ludovice. Leaning in, however, and scoring. And JRU Junior Bomber. Sablay yung pangatlo. Sayang, straight clothes. Excited pa naman siya kahapon na maglaro. No? Just going back, skills coach ni Mix Pascual, si Rian Santos. Si Leonard Estacio. Estacio stepping into a 3, short, bit flat on that shot. Ahead, Louis Vigil. He will use his left hand to finish up that fast break.
Louis Vigil already with 9.
Marikina, kasi si Coach Bam Ledesma, assistant yan ni Coach Pido. Oh! 3-point shot, kakapasok lang. Carlo Escalambre puts it in, plus a foul. Pascual. Steps into a 3, straight but short. Inside, Chadi Rangel puts it back up and in. Actually, Sarangani commits of an 8-2 run before that 3 from the left corner by El Takiwag. Got it back by from Chadi Rangel. Pascual finally drills in a 3.
He's been looking for that outside. Someone was left open and it was Mix Pascual.
Takiwag around the same spot. Different result, but Abilionar
Sarangani
catches the pass, but unable to locate Ivan Ludovice. Turnover, Landayan. Ahead, Ludovice off that steal by Escalambre. Back to Carlo, who scores in transition.
I'm given the chance to play again in this level, MPBL. Of course, I'm really grateful and super happy.
Hindi ka pa naglalaro ngayon?
To all my friends and supporters, maraming salamat sa suporta dito sa Cainta, dito sa Marikina team. Sobrang warm ng welcome nyo sa akin, so I just can't wait to give back, makapaglaro ng maayos para sa inyo.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, our pambansang ginoo, David Licauco. Back to you guys.
Basketball career, he's a capable player, very competitive, and very interesting how he follows the footsteps of guys like Ronnie Alon. Ang pag napapanood ko yun sa Greece, ano yan eh, pedal to the metal yan eh, si David Licauco. As here we have King Destacamento.
6. Now you put in Tateshi, who is 6'10".
Right.
Then that is size for you para dito sa Marikina.
Navarro, pass outside. Casajeros, straight away free.
Again, we're talking about what back.
5 on the shot lock. Clean strip. In stride, Louis Vigil. Will lay it in. 3 seconds left. Desoyo. That staggered screen, we have Timaho pumihit. Nahanap sa loob si Jeff Abilionar for 2.
Each and every.
Biggest lead of the ball game at 14 points. Desoyo. Shot fake, pass outside. 3-point shot is good for Leland Estacio. Dumps it down low to Abilionar. Facing up, now backing down. Destacamento, back to Deo. Lost it, Timaho. Against Louis Vigil, will slide in and score. Another chance to cut this lead down. Desoyo working on Louis Vigil. Brillantes providing the screen. Lock up, shoots, makes the 3.
You know, Ren Lakap is always steady and ready for the...
For Marikina. Desoyo, nothing happened on that initial action. They reset their offense. Desoyo, pass fake. Friendly bounce on that leader. Guys, that plays with that kind of pace so effectively. And include Navarro. What a pass. Free for a free. Masyado lang off to the left from Esguerra. Takiwag, pumukol. Puts it in.
Off the swing, someone was bound to get open. On the middle was Ed Dakiwag. And
Nice to see him back. Ed Dakiwag. Binawi naman ni Brian Lakap with a free of his own. Ludovice working on Renzo Navarro. Oh, what a pass. Sliding in. 2 points. +1 galing dito kay King Destacamento. Daming mintis galing sa labas. Gandang 2-man game naman. Escoto running circles around the defense.
on the same height, medyo nahihirapan pa na
Yeah.
si Louis Vigil in getting those attacks.
Vigil, extra pass, Havillonar turns down an open shot, and it turned out to be a good decision.
Their offense galing dito kay Jeff Avillonar.
2 minutes gone by in the third. Layong tres, galing kay Pascual. Lista mo na!
He has always had the green light.
Baseline inbound. Oy, nakalusot
Yeah.
si Jeff Havillonar. Havillonar being given space. Now the switch. Havillonar trying to punish Ludovice down low. Met by Koy Alves. Great help defense. Tatakbo dito ang Sarangani. Escalambre pulls up. Silky smooth jumper. Pilipinas. Uy! Dinuwa palabas pero si Vince Sarmiento nakawala. Koy Alves got lost in the shuffle. Mga sa crowd natin ngayon. Di man naka-uniform nga si David Licaco. They have definitely tuned in to basketball.
Yes, talking about it. Vigil, Dakiwag, these are names that have already given themselves respect here in the country.
Lakap. Inasahan si Koy Alves. Will not take the shot. Instead, he drives to the hoop. Laying it up and in. Time winding down in the third. 2 seconds left. Double cross. Navarro high off the glass and in.
The same miscommunication on the other end.
But making up for it. Coming away with a stop. Vigil for 3. Book it. Hitman. Nela Destasio to beat the buzzer. Can't get that one to fall. Pagkakataon na makalamang muli para sa Marikina. Navarro, pocket pass, Cannon, yes! Plus a foul!
2 free throws and then eventually the ball possession will come back to them. At ang pinakaayaw mo dito, when
By Marikina.
no need for them to rush, they want the best shot possible with 7 seconds left on the shot clock.
Vigil lines it up. Yes, sir!
You like the patience, you like him right here. No need to score for either team. A good comeback coming from Marikina. They were down by as much as 8, yet they were able to weather the storm, able to slowly return, led by that guy, number 8, Louis Vigil.
Over Sarangani, final score natin 75-66.